I'm not literally gonna die. I don't even look at myself. What's up guys, it's me obviously, and I'm making rainbow boba. I've already made boba twice, so I think I've got the hang of it. I think it was like $22 on Amazon for a package of color and just regular black. I already opened it, but it looked like this. So if you do get this, it's on Amazon one. They probably have other ones, just like one, but I'm gonna cut this straight. I'm gonna start boiling it now because it takes forever. And while that's boiling and I'm making this and whatnot, I'm gonna answer questions. My mom posted it on her story, so if you follow my mom, you know that you can ask questions through there because I answer them. I have 5 cups of water already in this pot, so I'm gonna do a cup of this. Pretty. This actually smells really good. It smells like spicy. It's weird. Boil 10 cups of water. 10 cups? I thought it was 5. That's a lot of water. It's gonna fit. I'm making a mess. So I have all the questions. My mom sent me screenshots. I also just want to say that I'm making like a smoothie kind of thing. So I got this from Target. And I have a little bit of almond milk left, so I'm gonna make myself some, and then afterwards I'll make my sister some if they want some. Favorite show at the moment, 911. Me and my mom just finished it, and there's a new episode, so we might watch it after this, but that's my favorite show right now. What exactly are you going to be studying for in college? I don't know. I have no idea. I don't have a plan. I don't know anything. How is your college class going? It's going pretty good. I did an 8-page essay on Secret Window, this movie. I love the movie now. I love Johnny Depp. So, yeah, that was pretty cool. Never done a paper that big. You plan on having kids? If so, how many? If I were to, 1 or 2, just because it's a whole process and it's expensive. Of course I could do adoption, but depending on how it goes in my future, it would go from there. But at most I would want 2. I don't want like 4 or more than that. How old are you? I'm 17. I'm turning 18 in August 13th. What are you doing after graduation? I am going to keep taking online classes on BBC, but like more classes, like if I were actually in college. And then eventually if I want to go to a university or something. Do you guys still play Animal Crossing? No, we don't, and I'm very upset about it.
I was just playing it.
Well, me and Mommy. Well, Celine plays it still.
I just got my thing and
Yeah.
got to go play
She
it.
still plays it a lot, but with like school and YouTube. What's the hardest thing you've experienced since coming out? Fortunately, I haven't really experienced much. I think like once or twice at school. Like once or twice at school, like security guard was like, no, but like we'll walk by a heterosexual couple being disgusting. So I think that's about it. And like YouTube comments sometimes, like I think like a year ago, I got one on 5 of my videos telling me that I'm not. That was the whole thing. Almost made me cry. What's your biggest fear of leaving home? It sounds fun to some people, but it really isn't. Like, cause I know like the reality of like bills and money and balancing life and work. It's a lot. So that stresses me out a little bit, even though I shouldn't even be stressing about it right now, but I know it's going to be a stress. That's probably it. And like missing my mom, but I'm not moving away to like Canada or something, so. What's the last book you've read? Like actually read? Because like there's school books that like you have to read, but I never actually read them. If you are doing books online, like at school, online or whatever, Spark Notes will save your life. And sometimes Quizlets, your teacher will literally take questions from Quizlet and put them on there. So throw this in now. Biggest struggle during quarantine? I don't know. Like, obviously we struggle with, like, sometimes we all just, like, get, like, angry, or, like, it's too much for us, and, like, we just get frustrated with each other. I miss my girlfriend, and, like, just normal. Like, I was literally talking about this in class today with my English teacher, classmates, and it's just, like, it's never gonna be, like, how it was, ever. Like, even, I was looking back on, like, vlogs of, like, Disneyland. It's never gonna be like that. Like, you can't just go to Disneyland. Like, you would have to, like, be careful, and we would double up on masks and wear gloves. Like, it's not normal anymore. So I think just knowing that it's never gonna be like that. And oh wow, already. Do you want to dye your hair at all, even something small, or just keep it black? Right now I just kind of want to keep it black. Like, I don't want to do any, like, weird colors or anything. I think if I had my long hair, I would want to dye it all, but right now, no, I'm good. Like, not even a little bit. My dog just came inside, so if you hear that, it's him. Will you make a video with your girlfriend? As of right now, I have no idea. Maybe eventually when she moves out, but right now, it wouldn't happen. I think so cute. Okay, favorite song of the moment. Car radio. I heard it on TikTok and now I'm, like, obsessed with it again. Okay, what's your dream job? I have no idea.
Mine's Eileen's.
Eileen's? A nurse?
Huh?
A nurse?
No, Eileen's.
Eileen?
Yeah.
Your Nina?
Yeah.
She's a nurse.
Yeah. But like, I want the white one. The gray and white one.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Daisy. You know Daisy?
Oh, dream job, not dog. Job.
I never said a job. I said a job. Wait, you said
I said job.
Oh.
Yeah. My dream job, I genuinely have no idea. I wanted to be a doctor for, like, many years. Like, I said it when I was, like, 8, and I kept saying it till, like, I was 16. And then I realized, like, math goes into that, and just, I mean, math kind of goes into everything.
I want to be a doctor.
But, I mean, with taking psychology right now, it's really interesting to me, so I think I'm gonna go down that path, be a psychologist for, I don't know what yet, but, yeah. Have you ever dated a boy? Yes. Not proud to say it, but, I mean, there was, like, 1 or 2 good guys, but, I mean, none of them were obviously very serious, but yes, I have. Do you like the snow? I do. We didn't get to really play in it because it was melting and it was literally freezing and the air didn't help, the wind. Right now school's going very good. Okay, so as you just heard, there was a very disgusting hissing noise. I don't know what happened, but I had to cut out 12 minutes of footage. So if you didn't get your question answered and you might remember it, leave it down below and I'll answer. But yeah, it was really annoying and I couldn't leave it in. So we're just gonna cut to the boba making. I got these cute boba straws. I also got colored ones. They're in there, but for this video, I got metal ones. I'm gonna make my sister's theirs right now with milk and more fruit. I'll record it and then I'll give it to them like on camera. You can try it. It's pretty good actually, and I didn't even put sugar. I forgot. Yeah.
No, I'm gonna try.
I'm gonna make you some right now. Right?
Oh my god.
I know.
I wanted
Oh,
to
I
be the
know.
first one to try it.
Nope. Okay. So I'm gonna speed this up. Boba. Your boba. Your boba.
My boba.
Boba's really warm. Okay. Babies.
It's chunky.
I know. Here. I accidentally put it upside down. That's fine. Okay.
I like it. I like it. The boba's sweet.
So I made them their boba. They love it. Yay. I feel like the rainbow boba is actually better, or maybe I just sweetened it better. I have no idea. But it's really good. And yeah, so thank you for all the questions. I'll keep the other ones for whatever else if I need them. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.